Are you about to leave for a trip and looking for an eSIM with unlimited internet? Today I'm going to show you the ultimate solution for having unlimited internet anywhere in the world as soon as you land at your destination, Holafly eSIM. In this tutorial video, I'll explain what Holafly is, how much it costs, which discount code you can use to save money, how to install the eSIM, and how to activate your internet connection. Here's a little spoiler before we start. If you want to save money, you can get 5% off on all Holafly eSIM plans. Just enter the discount code PROMARKETER at checkout, or simply click the link in the description or in the pinned first comment. Now, let's see how Holafly eSIM works. But what is an eSIM? It's a digital SIM that's already built into your smartphone. You don't need to insert any physical SIM card. Holafly lets you buy a data plan online and activate it in just a few minutes through a simple QR code. No store visits, no passports to scan, and no hassle. You can do everything comfortably before you leave. Holafly offers global coverage in more than 190 destinations with unlimited internet. That's right, no stress about running out of data. On top of that, you can also use the eSIM as a hotspot and connect from your laptop. From my personal experience and from Holafly reviews, unlimited data, coverage, and speed are some of the strongest points of this eSIM. What's interesting is how the plans are structured. You can choose a single country like China, South Korea, the United States, or Japan. Or if you're taking a multi-stop trip, you can go for one of the regional or continental plans, such as Asia, Latin America, Europe, or Oceania. Now let's move on to one of the most important parts, Holafly's prices and plans. Holafly offers different options to suit every type of traveler. First of all, there are the monthly Holafly Connect plans, which are split into two categories. Unlimited plans, which give you unlimited data so you can browse without worries, and light plans, which cost less and are perfect if you only need a smaller amount of data. As an alternative to the monthly packages, you can also choose to buy exactly the number of days you need. The more days you buy, the bigger the discount on your plan. To give you a clearer idea of the pricing, if, for example, you choose a single country like the United States, the price for just 1 day starts at $3.90. But if you choose 1 week, the daily cost drops, and for 2 weeks it goes down even further. By entering the discount code PROMARKETER, you can also get an extra 5% off. Of course, keep in mind that prices may vary slightly depending on the country or region you choose. A little tip from me, if your trip lasts more than 3 weeks, it's worth considering a monthly light or unlimited plan instead because it becomes much more convenient. Now let me show you exactly how it works, how to install the eSIM on your phone, and how to activate your internet. My first tip is this: before you even buy the eSIM, download the official Holafly app. This small step will make the whole purchase and installation process much easier. Let's take a beautiful trip to Japan as an example. Open the Holafly app, go to the search bar and type in Japan. Select the destination, choose the number of days you need, choose how many eSIMs you need, enter the discount code PROMARKETER to get an extra 5% off, and complete your purchase. Once that's done, you won't need to scan any QR code from another screen. But if you buy a plan outside the app, you'll also receive an email with a QR code to scan in order to install the new eSIM on your phone. If you're using the app, you just need to tap the button to start the installation. Follow the steps shown on the screen. Your phone will automatically recognize the eSIM and add it to your mobile plans. Name it Holafly so you can recognize it easily, since you'll be able to use this Holafly eSIM again whenever you need it, without having to reinstall it for future trips. While you're still in your country, keep this line turned off and continue using your regular SIM. As soon as you land, turn off airplane mode. Go into your phone's settings, then mobile data or connections if you're on Android. Select your new Holafly eSIM and turn it on. Then make sure to set this line as the one used for mobile data, and most importantly, turn on the data roaming switch for this specific eSIM. And that's it. No physical SIM cards to swap out and no SIM pin tools to look for. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to the local Japanese network with unlimited data. Have a great trip and see you in the next guide.